Guys, running a little midnight oil here. Spent all day developing a chassis for 120mm shocks. Here it is, Lexan. This is the Regent 120U. And I've made it so that the shocks will either work with these tasty little stainless spacers right off the axle, which I think is really the neatest, cleanest way, strongest way to do it. Or I can create some of my little axle tabs, and we can mount it in the next set of holes up. I'll create a nice 45-degree angle for the shocks, 100mm of clearance, good articulation, all that. You can see I've got the little Revo ends already attached with nice stainless round head socket drives. Modified the battery plate, removed the little loops that are on it. It's going to get Velcro pads. Batteries will be attached with Velcro. The electronics tray just goes right in. It's got nice little stainless steel socket heads holding that. All kinds of hardware I bought from McMaster. Most of it won't work because it was designed to go on the aluminum plates, which are thinner. So everything's about 2mm too short to work. Kind of frustrating. Spend money on stuff I'm not going to use. I don't like that. Got new screws for the tires. Replace the black ones. Not because I want to have shiny stuff on there, but because they need to be longer. Because I'm going to be cutting these rims, gluing them, putting them back together. I want longer screws, make it stronger. Going to be rebuilding these axles with steel gears, hardened pins, new servos. Going to be tweaking the links, doing some things to the links. Going to try and save these links, save myself some work. I've got lower links to make. Like I said, you can see over here we got the tires still to mount. After I've cut the rims, got them glued, get them mounted up. I've got a BEC to Plastidip and solder in, 2 batteries to Plastidip, Velcro for mounting stuff. Yeah, man, we got more stuff coming. I got LEDs coming for the shell. I'm going to do some LED lighting on the shell with 10mm super bright LEDs that are going to run off the BEC. I've got a shell coming, which I have to cut. That's usually about a day-long process, getting a shell to fit. That is going to be something, man. And then it's got to get painted, and then it's got to get hydro-dipped. And so that'll be interesting. See what happens with that. So I just want to show you what's happening down here in the shop. I'm going to call it a night. It's about 9:45, and I am whooped. I've been at this since 8 o'clock in the morning. This thing here took me 6 hours to draw, about an hour to make, about an hour to put together. So I've got 8 hours in just this right here you're looking at. The rest of it I hope is going to go a lot smoother, a lot faster. Gotta hope, man. I haven't even got 8 hours quoted in the whole build. Oh yeah, way too much fun. Oh yeah. Yep. So I think that's a sight better than that, huh? Hail to the yeah. I think that is going to kick some ass.